looks so real.
Das David von Benz.
Is that Aya's face?
Looks like E-Rob.
Who?
E-Rob.
Look at the hands. Oh, a nub. It's Jamie's nub. Look at the wolf. Look, it's Jamie. It looks so real. Us. He's us.
Squashes. Nike.
Yeah, look at his ears. Oh, he's gonna put stuff on you.
Oh. Silicon nose. Okay, that's cold. That's cold. What's the point of this shit? Just put a face filter on face. Part by part. Maybe on their way back.
Oh my. You're closing your eyes. Oh.
Where am I?
You're right there. Why is there two?
I'm sneezing.
Why is there two? Everyone's dead.
Please.
Just playing a little dead.
You're a troll. I did not like her.
His whale, Oathkeeper. Oh, they're fucking next to the his hammer. Oh, look at his thing on his sword.
Oh.
She's got big old beads there. That is so nice. Needle.
Look. Oh, look how dirty fingers. Wow. Needle. Look how skinny Needle is. Wow.
In addition to an arsenal of swords,
Look at the love.
What's that?
When she was climbing the ice. No.
Pirate's Bay.
Some games going on in there.
All back down.
Look at the
Go for a
sword.
world record.
It's John's. Croatia.
Oh, the dragon.
Yeah. What? There's too many things. Listen. He annoyed me.
Ice Sparrow.
One. Yeah. Those things on their heads. Wow. They definitely filmed it.
The mountains, big stuff. Wait for the mountains helmet and stuff. That's a mountains helmet as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Jamie. Marcella. Did you see the dragon in the sky? Look at the dragon in the sky. Oh. It's coming. Look, it's the Lannister thing burnt down. Wow, this is so cool. I want to go up there.
Crossing the barrier will sound an alarm.
Is there anything with an egg? The little shot glasses. A mug.
I've seen these on there.
Wow. These spices. That'd be cool. A tea towel. A Lannister stuff. Mug.
Got a picture in front of the star.
No.
Stars. Who are them on the right?
Yeah. Arya, Sansa, Jon, the dad, the wife, Rob, Bran, Rickon. Are you taller? You're taller. Am I taller? Am I taller?
You are. Yeah. You can check this out.
Who's taller? Who's taller? Who's taller? Are you taller than the Night King, Ryan? No. Are you taller?
He's levitating though, he's levitating.
About... Oh no, you wouldn't be. Yeah. Can't believe I spent £88 on Game of Thrones. That's my haul. Haul. I said, this is my haul. He thought I said my haul, and I took a picture of him.
So,
Add one. This is not mine. This is for Sir. This is also for Sir. Shut. This is mine. This is a notebook of all of the map.
oh, stupid sound effect.
This is a key ring.
But what am I putting? Food.
This is a mug. It's a thick mug. Is this the... Oh no, this isn't the creamy mug. It's a barrel mug. Is that all I got? That is all I got.
And so much you spent.
That's how much everything was.
What places to eat with?
But 2 things upstairs.